Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds.
May we develop and form young Filipinos, future of our land, who will not only think of their own purposes and dreams, but who will embark on a journey that merits their own identity as being light or lights to the world. Shining light to give good examples for our nation, pagkat kayo ay kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan sa isang bagong bayan nating minamahal na Pilipinas.
We will let it in. This is where the adventure begins. Every step,
In conclusion,
stories that see,
my dear graduates,
taking hold of
there are no set steps to college nor in life. It is for you to decide.
finally see.
You will always be the hope of the nation as long as you stay true to all of your goals. That is the value of being your genuine self. Congratulations to each and every one of you. May our paths intersect in the future where we succeed in all the goals of our journeys and our happiness remains intact. Mabuhay kayo, mabuhay ang mga magulang ninyo, at mabuhay ang kabataang Pilipino. Maraming salamat.
To my fellow graduates, class of 2024, congratulations.
Starting to see that
We made it.
feeling.
We faced the final curtain. The door has opened. Our responsibilities never end. As we are the Filipino youth for a stronger future of the new Philippines. Once again, class of 2024, break a leg, bite the bullet, and be cool as a cucumber.
Where the adventure begins.